and left Palm in the position. Used to people when new people come on and come in cocky, hype, and feel like so them run the road, everybody don't like it.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
What's up, people? It's your girl Nisha, and I'm back with another freaking video. Now in today's video, I'll be doing a story time about my worst work experience and the worst supervisor ever. Now, before I jump into this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell because it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to watch it to the end. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So fast forward to 2018 when I got a job at this so-called resort, right? And I've been working there for what? Almost 2 years. I think it was a year and a half. And my first supervisor got fired. My manager position was they redone that the manager's position and left this person that I'm talking about. Let's say we're gonna call this person Pam, and left Pam in the position. Yeah. So with that said, me just believe say this Pam come to make everybody life a living hell. Once you're used to people when new people come on and come in cocky, hype, and feel like so them run the road, everybody don't like you. Actually did like you, girl, you know? I actually did like the supervisor.
You're serious?
And no disrespect. And afterwards, you know, people are warn you, people are tell you things, but you're not taking it. Because I'm not the person to judge. So,
Oh my God! Wow!
but the day I may say, yeah, in a sense, maybe this is what nobody has said. Make me see it for myself. Well, like I tell you something, people. The girl did show we are dirty color. And Pam, I thought that Pam was a nice individual.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Now this Pam, she made me whole. Let me tell you, my whole entire. Well, not the whole. The first half was nice because we had nice boss. We have him would have stick up for within time. You see, when him gone and then she take over, then it's a different thing. Within the time that she took over the management position, a lot of persons were getting tired, frustrated because the environment was getting toxic. So let me tell you, people, working in an environment that is toxic does not work. It makes you don't want to come to work. It makes you don't want to have nothing to do with the supervisor or the manager. Just saying, it makes you don't want to deal with nothing at all. It just makes you not want to do your work. And bear in mind, before all of this, I used to enjoy my job. It doesn't make any sense you're working in an environment that young people have to go clash every time you have to go. Every time you have to go do your work. It don't make no sense. And it was like she would give the people them, like, say for instance me and some other teammate where no suck up to her, now kiss her ass most of the work, and her friend them sit down in the corner, cock up on phone, cock up with phone in her hand, and when you talk about it, they're upset.
Got it!
No. I personally believe that if you're a supervisor, if you're a manager, when I be supervisor and manager, it's just that my experience with the one that I had was a disaster before the first two. The last one, before the first two, this one was a disaster. I may talk panic, cause guess what? A lot of these people don't know what they are going on when they are going to the hotel industry. Cause the hotel industry, trust me, full of them people there. And me can tell you, say, this scar me for life. And I think this is one of the reasons why, if I'm looking at job anywhere else, it would not be in a resort. So, getting back into the story, it all started when I said something to someone and the person brought back my name, right? And you being a manager, you are supposed to come and say such and such and such, what happened, like this nothing happen, and blah blah blah. The hanky panky in the department nothing go on. Let me explain what happened. That happened, people still carry feelings and play. Moving on, story go on. I don't know, she have beef with one of the other teammate then, and she come and she blurt her. Bear in mind, this girl goes bad word. This girl go on with the most things. The tip top her vice security come report make it go viral, it go on pink wall, and nothing came out of it. Now this come down to the worst place that I've ever worked, because many resorts or many establishments and companies does not allow their supervisors or managers to verbally abuse anyone or to physically abuse anyone. And it will come to times where she upset with you, and when she come to the doorway, she spitefully brush against you.
What the fuck?
Just for your answer. And me not think that people who are working in an environment where like that, there's no way you can have one supervisor a brush pan you, one fight you.
No!
And not come out of it. Verbally abuse you, threaten you, and not come out of it. And you have the proof, and nothing comes out of it. And I couldn't deal with it. I could not deal with it. So I'm glad I'm not there anymore. Because if I was there, surely, the police would have locked me up. But thanks be to God, He took me out of the situation. But when I left the situation, I was so relieved because I was no longer there. I was no longer feeling the pressure. I was no longer feeling depressed. People, me not telling lie. The whole environment. Once me touch on the compound, me feel depressed. And then bear in mind, entertainment coordinators are the one who is supposed to bring the vibes. You're supposed to always be on your tip top. If you're always up there, you can't look like you're sad. You can't look like you have a bad day. You can't look nothing. You're supposed to entertain. You're supposed to make people them feel good. But bear in mind, me did there, and sometimes not to know like people. You have to put on the face. You have to act like, yeah, you're alright. Which, nah. You're not alright none time at all. No time at all. So with that said, aim of the story is people have faith. You have to have faith. You have to have patience with certain people, and you have to just be yourself. Stay away from the people because me learned that stay away from people. Working doesn't mean you have to be friends with anyone. You just work, go work, make your money, and go back to your yard. Your friend and your family, their yard. Their work. Not wrong, we have one little killy where you walk with no one then. But don't make it a thing where you have a friend and then me tell you, this friendship can't turn out in a mashallah, because people are you with fight and they're not business. And worse if they know that they have people in a higher position where they palm for them side or them have some martial and something going on. Whatever they have going on, they will always pick up for that person, no care who they're wrong. I'm only here to talk about my bad experience. If you ever had any bad experience, let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Before I go, guys, today's post notification shout out goes to Nick's World and JJ Curvaceous. Yes, and before I go, these people are upcoming YouTubers, so go ahead and subscribe to their channel. Don't forget to subscribe to them. Go on over there, show them some love, let them know that Jamaican Girl Nation I sent you guys. Alright, bye.